Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to have you here. Today I'm going to show you a number of hairstyles that you can easily pull off with your natural hair, whether it's medium length or very long. So today's video is brought to you by Dark and Lovely, the Naturale range. I received these products a few weeks ago and decided to do a review for you in case you've been interested in using them. So let me just take you a step back to the prep stage where I washed my hair with the Dark and Lovely Naturale Moisture Replenishing Shampoo. Being a sulfate shampoo, I decided to use it when my hair had really a lot of buildup so that it can cleanse and clarify, and I decided to also pre-poo before that using coconut oil, and it indeed cleansed and clarified my hair with just a little use. Next off, I used the Dark and Lovely Naturale Knot Out Conditioner, which wowed me, guys. This is actually my favorite product from the range because my hair was instantly soft, and this made it even easy to detangle and just to condition. It was impressively soft. I did a deep condition right after that and rinsed my hair later on using cold water and an ACV rinse. Then as usual, I just did twists to stretch my hair and then pat dried my hair with a towel, and as I let my hair stretch. So off camera, I did stretch my hair and also trim my ends using low heat, and I'm going to show you that in another video. If you're interested, let me know. So let's jump into the styles, guys. For the first style, I just sectioned a portion of the front part of my hair, and at the back I decided to do a cornrow going up. It's not easy, it takes some practice, but if you can cornrow your hair going up, that would be good. Or if your hair is long enough, you can do a flat twist if it comes easy for you. But I find that the cornrow is really more stable to last me the whole day intact. So once you're done with the cornrow, you just pin it, and then the front part you can neatly fold it and your hair will look like a mohawk. You can front it directly going back, or you can just do a side part as you wish, and this is the final look, guys. So easy, takes like 5 minutes to do it and you're off to go. For style number 2, this is a roll and tuck. This is just simply a roll and tuck, and because my hair is not that long, I sectioned my hair into 3. I just added the plating pudding cream because it makes it very easy to do these styles and adds the moisture that I need to keep my hair moisturized the whole day. So I just roll and tuck all the way up at the back, then pin that down before coming to loosely roll and tuck at the front before pinning it away. And voila, you have a look created in less than 5 minutes, guys. This reminded me of the style beehive back in the day when I was a kid. Let me know in the comment section if you actually also did the beehive style. For style number 3, I'm just adding my plating pudding again just to moisturize and keep my hair really manageable when doing this style. It's my easy go-to style whenever I literally don't have time or any idea of what to do to my hair. This is just a simple flat twist. You can do 2, you can do more than 2 depending on the length of your hair, but it's really going to sort you out whenever you really don't have time. I did a tutorial back then, and you can check it out on the detailed step-by-step process. So once you're done, you just pin them away. and you can always add a cute bow at the back. So for the next style, it's just a build up from the flat twist. What I usually do is just do the flat twist halfway and then comb out the back section. So you just pin the flat twist halfway and then you comb out the back section. I just realized I over trimmed the back part of my hair, guys. Okay, for the next style, I'm going to section my hair and leave out the front part as usual. Then I'm going to just hold a cute little bun at the top. I'm going to proceed to use the plaiting pudding to just do a few twist out strands. This is usually my go-to style, especially when I just do not have time and I want to tie a turban. I just add the turban with the twists peeping at the front, or sometimes I just rock it simply, as you can see. Cute and easy, right? Please leave a comment on what you think so far. For the next one, I'm just going to divide the back into two, and you can do this if your hair is not as long, but if your hair is long, you can just do whatever I'm doing as one section. And I'm just going to do a flat twist going to the front because I just want a bit of volume at the back. If a flat twist is too hard for you, please, you can try a roll and tuck. They're usually very easy. So this is not quite a neat flat twist, it's very loose. Then I'm just going to pin it, and with the front having twist, I'm going to unravel. You can leave the twists intact, but for this I'm just going to show you how the plaiting pudding helped me to have a few defined curls within a very short period. And that's the final look, guys. For the final updo, I just added a bit of the plaiting pudding cream once again, and I did a roll and tuck. I ever posted this on my Instagram, and a few people really wanted to know how I did my hair. So it's simply a roll and tuck that you just loosely hold depending on how loose you want it. You keep rolling and tucking as you go to the back. If your hair is really short and keeps coming off, you can use pins to secure it. I'm just going to show you this other side where I just do the same thing. Roll, tuck, and then pin the hair at the back. And as usual, you can add a cute bow to cover that back section. The final look. This literally takes me less than 2 minutes. So let me know what you thought of these hairstyles, guys. I was really excited to share just a few of these with you. So let me know in the comment section, and please remember to subscribe. Let me know also how the products have always worked for you. Love you guys. See you on the next one.